KRASS brand, originated in Singapore with around 200 years history. Relocated to China in 2018. At present, KRASS Chinese factory, covering an area of 70,000 square meters, with more than 400 workers and 12 foreign engineers. Mainly produces laser cutting machine, CNC press brake, CNC shearing machine. And the annual output is more than 5,000 sets. The company has CE, SGS, ISO 2001, NR 12 certificates. It has established agents and highly developed after-sales service system all around the world. We always welcome to build a long-term mutually beneficial business relationship with our end customers, as well as channel partners.